Congratulations on completing the Introduction to Program Management course. Let's review some key aspects of what you learned throughout the course. First, understanding key program management terminologies ensures that all stakeholders speak the same language and avoids confusion during program execution. Building on this foundation, a program manager leads and coordinates a group of related projects. To be a program manager, you must have strong leadership, communication, and strategic planning skills. Supporting these skills, the Program Management Office, or PMO, empowers program managers by providing support, guidance, and resources. It also serves as a central hub for all program activities. Recognizing critical stakeholders, such as sponsors, project managers, and customers, and their needs is essential for effective communication and program buy-in. Next, program management performance domains are interconnected areas that measure program success. To navigate these performance domains, the program lifecycle provides a framework for program phases and activities. In addition to understanding these frameworks, a career in program management offers opportunities to drive large-scale change and innovation in today's dynamic work environment. Potential career opportunities for program managers include IT, engineering, and construction. Program manager roles usually require a bachelor's degree, experience in project management, and strong leadership skills. Salaries of program managers can vary depending on experience, industry, and location. The PMI PGMP certification validates a program manager's knowledge and experience in the field. Now that you've reviewed the fundamental concepts covered in this course, make sure to utilize the readings, glossaries, and activities provided in each module. These resources will assist you in referencing key information efficiently. Congratulations again on completing this course, and good luck in your program management journey.